Hey there, JungAh here. Today, I'll answer the question, when do I use the Korean expressions 수고하셨습니다 and 고생많았어요. You probably heard this in Korean dramas or movies. The word sugo is used to acknowledge any type of effort, including routine work. Therefore, 수고하셨습니다 is like a greeting used for your employees at the workplace. But keep in mind that it may not be the best thing to say to your superiors or elders. 수고했어요 and 수고하셨습니다 are often used at the end of the day at a workplace or when a task or project is finished. These expressions might be heard when leaving the office after work at the end of a team project. On the other hand, the word 고생 is more about doing something special or unexpected. 고생많았어요 is used if someone had a particularly difficult time doing something at work. It means you must have had a difficult time. It might also be used if someone who's not normally doing such kind of work volunteered and took care of it. When could you say these expressions in your daily life? Let us know in the comments below. Bye!